Do you create PowerPoint presentations or write reports that need to illustrate a project plan? Timeline Graphic is an Excel app that makes this very easy. Let me show you how. I'm switching to Excel and opening Timeline Graphic. There are two tabs in the timeline in the worksheet. The timeline itself plus instructions. There are three major parts to the screen. In the upper left, you can see the timeline. In the upper right are the data that define the time bar segments. In the lower right are options that help format the graphic. Zooming in, you can see the list of tasks in the left column. You can add as many rows as you need, type in descriptive activity names, and format the text however you like. Across the top are the descriptors for the time increments. You are free to define these however you like. You may insert columns at will, and if you change the width of the first column, all the other time increments are sized the same way automatically. Here, I'll insert a column. And you can see that these bars immediately jumped over and retained their same relationship with the other bars. The bar colors are selected from a palette of more than 24 shades, which are conveniently displayed in the options section for reference. Now I'm going to scroll to the right into the right-hand section, and here you can see that you can find the timeline bars with their start, duration, and color. There's no limit to the number of segments for a task. If you specify a 0 duration, the milestone symbol is drawn. For example, here's one. To see the effect of your changes, you click the Redraw button. So let me make a bar right here in timeline segment 13, the duration of 3 and a color of 3. And then when I click the Redraw, it'll appear. The color key is similarly defined. There are options for changing the height of the bars, changing the time increments, and specifying the format for the time increment descriptors. When you click the Redraw button, it also copies the graphic to the clipboard. So when you switch back to PowerPoint or Word, which I'll do right now, back to PowerPoint, I'll create a new slide, and I'll just paste, and there's the graphic that we just had with its new segment. Thanks for viewing this overview of Timeline Graphic, which you can purchase for only $5 at www.pipesizingsoftware.com.